In 2025, surveillance isn't just about cameras. It's about smart systems, AI analytics, cloud integration, and real-time decision-making. But here's the catch. None of it works if your devices can't talk to each other. That's where ONVIF comes in. ONVIF, the Open Network Video Interface Forum, is the behind-the-scenes standard that ensures interoperability across surveillance tech. It means your camera from brand A can seamlessly connect with your video management software from brand B. No custom hacks, no vendor lock-in. In a world where organizations are scaling fast and upgrading often, interoperability isn't a luxury, it's mission-critical. ONVIF makes integration simple, secure, and future-proof. In this tutorial, we'll demonstrate how to configure an ONVIF camera in Banalytics. First, ensure the camera is plugged into the power source and connected to the network either via a wired or Wi-Fi connection. Make sure the camera has an IP address and is reachable over the network. To confirm connectivity, use the Network Device Discovery component within Banalytics. This tool will scan your local network and help ensure the camera is detected and ready for integration with Banalytics. You can find a detailed guide on using the Network Device Discovery feature in the related tutorial linked in the description below. Next, let's add the ONVIF camera to Banalytics software. Simply click the plus button next to the ONVIF camera submenu under the Banalytics server. To save time, we recommend using the Network Device Discovery component in Banalytics. This will automatically populate the MAC address, host, and port fields for you. Now, let's configure the camera settings. Restart on failure. This option determines how the system responds if an error occurs. If an error happens, the system will attempt to restart the component after a 10-second delay. MAC address. This unique address helps distinguish your camera from others on the network. You can find it in the camera's web interface or through Network Device Discovery in Banalytics. Title. Give your camera a descriptive name to distinguish it from other devices. Host and port. Provide the IP address, host, and port number to establish communication between Banalytics software and the camera. You can find it in the camera's web interface or through Network Device Discovery in Banalytics. Username and password. Enter the username and password for the camera's web interface. Transport protocol. Choose the transport protocol for camera communication with other devices. Make sure the camera supports the selected transport protocol. Refer to the detailed guide on choosing a proper transport protocol in the related tutorial linked in the description below. Override RTSP port. Provide a port number if you need to change the default RTSP port. Leave the field empty if you use the default one. That's it. You've successfully added an ONVIF camera. However, you'll notice that the live feed won't appear automatically after the configuration. You'll need to manually add the video capturing task, as Banalytics relies on the media profile set in the camera's web interface. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next video, where we'll guide you through the process of configuring the video capturing task for an ONVIF camera.